Today I'm going to show you how I created Minecraft Horror using Unity. Everyone says that making a video game takes months of work, thousands of lines of code, and a whole team. But what if I told you I did it with a single script, just one line of code? This isn't clickbait. I'll explain step by step how I did it, and at the end I'll show you exactly those micro scripts that made it all happen. But before all that, I need to create Minecraft itself, so I made a procedural generation system, an algorithm to create a more natural world so it wouldn't be flat and repetitive. But right now the textures are missing and the world is completely white. So from the Fantastic Kenny website, I downloaded all the necessary textures. To avoid lag, I divided the world's blocks into 10 by 10 chunks. Each frame, I place one chunk so I don't have to spawn 100,000 chunks all in the same frame. I filled the world by placing trees, and as the cherry on top, I made it so that if a dirt block has nothing above it, it turns into grass, and vice versa. The atmosphere of my world wasn't exactly scary. It definitely wasn't suitable for a horror game. To solve this problem, I added some very close fog, but that wasn't enough for me. I wanted more. So I also added rain, and now the environment was ready to host monsters. Every self-respecting horror game has monsters. The only problem? What kind of monsters should I make? I definitely didn't want to copy too much, so I didn't look for any references. That way I reduced the chances of copying. At first, I wanted to create a simple monster, so I just added some eyes. And if you get close enough, they disappear with a horror sound. I did this because if you get too close, they stop being scary. There are still 2 monsters left, each scarier than the last. At first, the idea was just to use the eyes that would then move closer so the user wouldn't expect it. But the team told me it wasn't scary enough, so I added this beautiful mouth. Now comes the most destructive monster. This monster can shut down the game, so if you manage to escape it for long enough, it disappears. Now I'll show you how I managed to create this entire game with just one line of code per script. Basically in CRR, to separate one statement from another, you use a semicolon. But if I put 2 statements one after the other and separate them with a semicolon, Unity and CRR read them correctly as if nothing had changed. Knowing this, I deleted all the spaces from all the game's code, and here are all the codes that generate the game. To get to episode 2, leave 30 likes. In the meantime, you can watch these other videos here.